Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready and moving straight to Fort Zancudo. This is the only reliable location where an F-35 style jet will appear. You must approach with a fast car and armor, because once you trigger military response, things escalate quickly. Once done, choose a low-risk entry. Sneak past outer patrols, cut a gate, or glide in with a buzz. Make sure to have a parachute and a quick getaway vehicle staged nearby to extract the jet after you grab it. Once inside, focus on how jets spawn and where they park. They often taxi the northern runway or sit in hangars. You want to bait a landing by making noise at a safe distance, then close in while using cover, crouch, sprint, and time your movements between patrol sweeps. Once a jet is on the ground, neutralize nearby guards fast and climb in. You must be decisive. Jets take off quickly, so get inside and start the engines without pausing. After you're in the cockpit, taxi to clear runway, then open throttle and lift off before interceptors close in. Pull up and head low to escape anti-air defenses quickly. Once clear, change altitude and circle out of base airspace. This reduces locked missiles. If the jet is shot down or you can't start engines, bail safely, respawn outside the base, adjust your entry point or angle, and try again. Persistence and timing fix most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.